Friends, if you are currently looking for a 5G smartphone in a mid-budget, then I think this Samsung smartphone is going to prove to be great for you. Yes, we are talking about Samsung Galaxy Oxygen Ultra 5G smartphone. Even before its arrival in the market, some of its features and price have been leaked on the internet. It has been revealed that it is going to get powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, along with 200-megapixel DSLR camera. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's get started. Features of Samsung Galaxy Oxygen Ultra 5G. In this great smartphone, you get to see a large 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with 1260 x 2712 pixel resolution, which works at 120 Hz refresh rate. Apart from this, 2400 nits brightness is available on the display, which makes using the phone very easy even in sunlight. And along with the in-display fingerprint sensor, an IP69 rating is also seen. Camera setup. This Samsung smartphone is going to get triple rear camera support for photography. On its back panel, there is a 200-megapixel main sensor with LED flash, which is equipped with OIS feature. Along with this, it will have 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and 5-megapixel macro lens. At the same time, it will have a 50-megapixel selfie camera as its front camera. Processor. For processor, this phone will be provided with powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. For better graphics while playing games, G69 GPU will be visible. The phone will be launched on Android 15 operating system. Battery backup. This phone is going to get support of 7000 mAh battery. And to charge this big battery faster, the smartphone will have Type-C charging socket, with 120-watt fast charging. Price or launch date. According to leaks, its price could be around $800. And it can be introduced in the middle of 2025.